In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify store with Canva. We'll keep things simple and clear. First, we'll create or refine your logo in Canva. Then we'll add it to your Shopify theme so it shows up across your store. Start by opening the Canva website in your browser. Canva works best on a desktop for precise edits. Once you're in, head to the search bar and type logo. This pulls up a range of professional templates you can customize. Pick a style that matches your brand's personality, whether that's minimalist, bold, playful, or elegant. Now, customize your logo. Edit the text to your brand name, adjust the font to something that's readable at small sizes, and set your brand colors so your store looks consistent. Keep your layout simple and consider using a square or slightly rectangular shape, as these fit most Shopify headers cleanly. If your logo sits on different backgrounds, make sure it has good contrast and avoid overly thin lines that can disappear on smaller screens. You can also swap icons, resize elements, and play with spacing until it looks balanced and polished. Feel free to edit it as much as you need. This is where your brand identity comes to life. Once you're happy, click Download. For best results, choose PNG for crisp quality. If your logo has no background, enable the transparent background option so it blends neatly into your store's header. A size around 500 to 1000 pixels wide is usually sufficient. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Next, go to Shopify in your browser and open your admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Online Store. This takes you to your Themes area. Click Edit Theme on your current theme to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, click Settings. This is where you control global elements like colors, typography, and your logo. Click Logo and then locate the file you just downloaded from Canva. Upload it from your computer and wait for the preview to load. If your theme allows width adjustments, set a width that keeps the logo sharp but not overpowering. Clean and readable is key. Make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile previews. Once done, click Save. Your changes are now live. Take a quick look at your storefront to confirm everything appears correctly and aligns with your brand. That's it. Your Shopify store now features your custom Canva logo, giving your site a professional, cohesive look without any complicated design software.